In this tutorial video, we will learn how to create a request to add a CCR co-curricular recognition position that you have been participating in to your Career Catalyst portfolio. Log in to Sheridan Works. Go to the co-curricular recognition module. Select My CCR Experiences. This is the dashboard for your CCR experiences, and the page from which you will be able to make your requests. Select Add a Position to My Experience record. You can search for the activity you participated in by using the activity or position name field. Or you can use the filters at the bottom of the screen to search for the name of the CCR position you participated in. Once you locate the position name, select Add Position to My Co-curricular record. From this screen, you will be able to reflect on your experience in this activity. You will be able to track the time that you participated in this activity. You will also be able to select which of the career catalysts you believe you achieved, or will achieve, as a result of your participation in this CCR activity. At the bottom of the page, select Save Changes. If you return to the My CCR Experience page, you will see the request has been made and is pending. It will remain in a pending state until the end of the activity. The CCR activity leader will visit the CCR site and review and address your requests. Thank you for watching this Sheridan Works CCR tutorial.